Onke amehlo athe ntshoo kumongameli Cyril Ramaphosa xa esenze intetho yakhe ejoliswe kwisizwe siphela ngexesha evula ngokusesikweni iPalamente eKapa ngokuhlwanje. Umongameli Ramaphosa kulindeleke kulonyaka intetho yakhe iqubisane ngqo nemiba edla umzi efana nequmrhu lakwa-Eskom elithe gqolo ngocimi-cimi wombane, izinga elingathethekiyo lokonyuka kwentswela ingqesho ngokungakumbi kulutsha, uhlumo lwezoqoqosho kunye neminye. Kanti ke ngoku siyangqo kwintetho kamongameli.
A man with blood on his hands to leave this parliament because he does not belong here. That's my submission, Speaker.
Thank you, sir. Order, members. Honorable Malema, I wish to rule on the submission you have made. This sitting has been called for one item and one item only, to give the President the space to address the nation. It is convention that all the presidents, the former presidents who are still alive, are invited to this sitting. The former President de Klerk has been invited because of that. I therefore cannot sustain the submission you have made, and therefore rule it out of order.
Honorable Speaker.
Honorable...
The meeting is called for...
Honorable Floyd Shibambo, I have not recognized you.
Will you please recognize me?
What are you standing on?
On a point of order, 14...
What is your point of order?
The point of order is that the rules of the joint sitting apply even when it's a state of nation address. That is number one. You can't recognize the clerk as a president of what? Who voted for him? Are you saying this parliament, a democratic elected parliament, must recognize a only president who was elected by a criminal system of apartheid?
Honorable Shibambo. Honorable Shibambo.
It cannot be correct.
Honorable Shibambo, yes, you are right. The joint rules apply to this sitting. Order. 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 You are right. The rules apply. And the rules apply, and those rules have never been questioned. History of this country is there for everybody. We recognized that there was an apartheid system. We also recognized that it was a system that brought us all into this house. And therefore, that submission, that point of order is not sustained.
Speaker. Speaker.
What are you standing on?
On a point of order.
What is your point of order?
Just accept that you as the presiding officers, you made a mistake by inviting de Klerk. So de Klerk must go. Like you've been making mistakes.
Please take your seat. We have not made any...
Can you ask that?
Please take your seat, honorable member. We have not made any mistake. Take your seat.
Honorable Speaker, you are talking about history. What I'm telling you is not history.
Honorable Malema, I did not recognize you. Please take your seat.
The clerk had interview last week.
Honorable Malema, I did not recognize you. Please take your seat.
On a point of order, Speaker.
What is your point of order?
Speaker, you just said yourself that it was apartheid. Who presided over apartheid? De Klerk. And just last week, he said apartheid was not crime against humanity. So we were humans enough to be killed by apartheid system, and the person who presided over that system.
Kanti ke mawethu sizawuphinda sibuyele kuyo intetho kamongameli eParlamente.